Nós estamos aqui porque a gente quer falar inglês. E você está aqui porque você quer ouvir inglês. Então, bem-vindos ao English Chat.
VPFI!
From now on, we are going to speak only in English, okay, teacher baby?
That's it.
Okay, teacher Juan? Alright, so let's go. So guys, here we are.
Again.
I don't know if you remember, the last time we sat here, we were talking about the foods we didn't like so much, right?
Oh, yeah, true.
And today, we are gonna be talking about the foods we love. The most delicious food in the world. For us. According to ourselves, okay?
Yeah.
I am going to begin with my favorite dish in the world.
Everybody already knows.
Nobody knows.
I know.
You think I'm going to say Japanese food?
Yeah, because you will.
You're right.
You will.
Make me laugh. You know this expression, make me laugh?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to say that it's the... what's the name? Japanese food.
The food that comes from Japan.
Yeah, man, I simply love it. Man,
Okay.
I'm sorry if I didn't surprise you guys. But man, of course, there are lots of foods that I love. But Japanese food, guys, I'd say it's the top one in my whole life. How about you guys?
Can I?
Yeah, go ahead.
Man, I was thinking and wondering that it's a food that I like to eat every day. So my favorite food is rice, beans, and some some salad. I like it so much, man. Like recently prepared rice, like in that
The moment.
the moment one, hot beans, in the top, okay, in the top of rice.
Okay.
Please.
To not make confusion.
Please.
Rice and down, top beans.
Exactly,
Okay.
exactly. Don't do it in reverse, okay?
Okay, I agree.
Because
Rice and beans on top.
Yeah, because some people put the beans.
Done.
My
now.
dad, Carlito does that.
Yeah.
We have a fight again because of
Of
this,
course,
right?
yes.
But there is a good reason that I put rice and then beans, because in my house, for example, we are used to get the dish in hand and eat, not the dish on the table, but
You
in
guys
hand.
don't put the...
No.
You eat like this?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
I
because
hold the
they don't
dish
have
in my
table,
hand.
man.
You guys don't have a table.
No, we have it.
Poor guys.
Yeah, we have
Why
it.
don't you take this one?
Oh, it's Italian, you know.
Yeah, some people have this.
This habit.
No,
in
my father
house.
is Baiano and he has this habit too.
So-
But it's because he eats like walking. He gets the
Got it.
dish and go
Oh,
walking.
my father, my grandfather, all of us do it. We hold the dish in our hand and we eat. So if we put the beans,
Down.
it's getting hot.
Yeah.
So that's why we put rice and beans on top.
There is an easy way to solve this problem.
Put on the table.
No. You guys don't have a table. You get, what's the name? Napkin. Do you know napkin?
Yeah.
You get a napkin, put on your hand. And the plate, the dish, you put on the...
No, it's too much.
It's a lot, yeah.
We are kind of Vikings.
Alright.
I think
Wait,
that the
do you use silverware to eat?
no, we.
Like...
I said it, I think I made a mistake. I said Vikings, but I think the right
Vikings.
pronunciation is Vikings, right?
There is something interesting about this word. I know it's not about food, but you brought it to the conversation. One of our future guide, he said Vikings is not right.
Oh,
And I
yeah?
said, how not? I see everybody pronounce Vikings. And he says that it's a really regional thing. Some parts of the country are going to listen to Vikings, another one, Vikings. So
I'm
I
not
believe
that
both would be
wrong.
correct.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Sorry.
So this is my favorite one. The simplest food.
You're
Yeah.
kind of a simple guy, right?
Yeah.
But for
Yeah,
example,
I try to be. I try to
yeah,
be a simple
like it's something that you put in your mind,
Mm.
or no, it happens naturally.
Yeah, it's not that I think, oh, I need to be simple. No, it's something that I like to be. I like to be simple.
No, I mean, I like to eat rice and beans and like meat or a salad or a vegetable, whatever. But I would never say it's my favorite food.
Yeah,
I believe it's so daily. It's
that's why.
it's an everyday food for me. Okay?
Got it?
That's why I don't consider it one of the best food ever, you know?
Got it?
Oh, because for me, I think it was impossible eat something every day like I do with rice and beans. So I think
makes sense.
I love pizza too.
Yeah.
But
Who doesn't, right?
yeah, but imagine eat pizza every day, lunch and dinner.
Amazing.
I don't.
I'm just kidding.
Amazing here, but in healthy talk,
I don't think if I can do it.
I'm just poking
I
fun,
believe
but it's...
nobody can do it.
And with rice and beans, I can easily. So that's why I'm in this point.
No, I see. In my case, I said that Japanese food is my favorite one, but unfortunately, I can only have that like once a month because it's really expensive.
Yeah,
and it's
Jesus Lord,
really-
it's pretty
I
bad.
would love when I get rich, guys. Listen to my words. Mark my words here.
Yeah.
When I get rich, I'm going to have Japanese food every week. Not every day,
No,
because every
every
day
week.
after a millionaire, right? I just want to
Okay.
be rich, okay?
Yeah.
Every week I'm gonna say, oh, today is the Japanese food day.
It's
you know?
Japanese day.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
you
yeah.
dress like a Japanese guy.
Like a sumo fighter,
Yeah.
maybe. Yeah, in my
Like a
case.
geisha.
Oh my gosh.
cookie, cookie.
Yeah.
So
You, babe.
Man, I think I'm going to surprise you.
Yeah?
Oh,
Because it's a little weird.
Imagine that. Oh, it's the rice heating on the little pan of beans. Did you remember it?
Yeah, but it's exactly
Yeah.
what I'm going to say.
No way. No way.
Yeah, man, my favorite food. For every day in my life, the rest of my life, God said to me, hey, choose your food. I'm going to choose it. When your mother, wife, or you prepared beans, and the beans are almost finishing, and they are there, like
Just waiting.
a week. The end of the beans, 3 days, 4 days, I don't know. The end of the beans, and you put the rice on it in that pan.
Okay, I got it.
You are going to warm it,
Mhm.
the rice and beans together, and the beans is going, the rice is going to get some parts of the liquids in the beans inside of it. And the best part, it's to eat rice and beans together, warm it together,
Prepared together.
It's not new one, but
Yeah.
the one that's almost finishing, and popcorn.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm telling the
gosh,
truth. I
dude.
love it, man.
This is your top one.
The top one, the first of God. You know, it's something that God created.
Simple guy too.
Man,
It's so simple.
I
It's
like
simple and
love
crazy.
it.
Like a homeless guy. Oh, I like to read some papers.
Man, you get those cardboard. Oh, so
Sound.
Whoa,
Man,
man.
telling the truth.
God.
Oh,
Man, I'm telling the truth. I love it. When you warm the rice in the pan of beans and you put popcorn, it's unbelievable.
popcorn. You prepare the popcorn earlier?
Yeah.
They got put the corn.
Yeah, I
No,
was thinking like
it's
that.
impossible.
Imagine, get the corn, put inside with the beans
No,
and
no
the
way,
You
no
want
way.
to pop?
and the rice flying away.
Actually, this happened because my mother once, a long time ago, she prepared popcorn for us, and we are eating, and some get away there, and nobody was, everybody was full, and nobody wanted to eat it anymore, and like on in the dinner time, my father was getting his dish, and he looked at the popcorn there, and he said, hey, I'm going to taste it, and got some popcorn, put in his dish and go away. And he said, holy crap, this is really delicious. And I said, come on, Dad. And he said, try it. I
Maybe.
told you in the last one
There
that
you
I
go.
try everything that you put in front of my face.
True.
And I said, sure, I'm going to try it. I got rice and beans, and I put some popcorn on my dish, and I tasted, man, it's delicious.
Yeah,
It's
you need to
unbelievable.
taste it.
It's delicious because I think it's weird to put like banana in the rice and beans. Everybody loves it, and they think, oh, it's Sugar with salt, I don't know it's a good combination, but popcorn it's salt. Rice and beans is salt. So
Yeah.
for me it's not that weird. Everybody that I say it's said at this moment, the guys that are listening to us, they're putting, oh my gosh,
Yeah,
no way, I'm not
probably,
going
probably.
to try it.
But do you know other people who eats it?
No, nobody in the
It's
planet.
just
Only
you.
my father and I.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's not so common, right?
Maybe
I
it's
mean,
a good topic to do, like strange things.
weed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I hope people that we know it
Alright,
together.
alright.
They-
I don't have this one, but I think. of
Yeah,
one?
sure.
Yeah, no.
But
I
this
think-
one, it's for me, it's the top one. Rice, beans, warmed together, and popcorn.
Do you guys know Avenged Sevenfold?
Yeah.
Do you guys know that song, A Little Piece of Heaven?
Sure.
I learned it with a native guy that when you mean that something is your little piece of heaven, it's because of your favorite. For
Oh.
example, oh man, Japanese food is my little piece of heaven. So I
Makes sense.
never used it that,
No, but
but
it makes
it's
sense.
so nice, right?
Pretty good.
I thought it was interesting to bring this up to this conversation here.
For me, it's a big piece of heaven.
Yeah.
It's the heaven
like
that
it.
exists.
The heaven as it all.
I feel like in heaven when I'm eating it. It's delicious.
No.
Very good.
I don't know. I believe I stay. Let's make a fast top 3 then. For me, Japanese food, barbecue, pizza. You.
Oh, it's difficult.
3 in a row. Don't think too much.
Rice and beans, beans and rice.
Ah,
No, I
you
think-
inverted the
Rice
thing.
and beans, pizza, and broccoli.
broccoli.
Broccoli
I love
with
broccoli.
lemon. I love
I
it
love
so much.
broccoli. I love broccoli.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Rice and beans and popcorn.
They're all the
Top,
ritual.
top,
Yeah, with that ritual,
Okay.
you know, we need to invoke it.
Yeah.
But the second one, it's Japanese food.
Okay.
And the third one, I think it's barbecue.
Yeah. And I mean, you like this combination of rice, beans, and popcorn, but do you also like that much only popcorn?
No,
You're not a crazy.
No,
eater
no,
of
I'm not a
popcorn.
big. I'm really not a big fan of popcorn when I go to the movies, for example.
You don't have it.
For me, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Yeah.
If
When
I eat
go-
it or
when I go
not-
to them, it doesn't matter because the popcorn is like a
1 billion.
30 bucks?
Yeah.
I don't pay that shit.
No,
You go to the supermarket, you pay Cheerios in the popcorn, but
Oh, yeah.
just because it's in the movies, you pay 30 fucking bucks.
No,
And
I
kidney.
bring from home.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, come
I'm
on.
telling
I
this
remember.
because it's true.
The last time I went to the movies, I guess it was many years ago. I guess 6 or 7 years ago. Guys, I took a really big snack from Burger King and I
Yeah,
ate
it-
that inside the.
yeah.
Is it common? Because I thought
Yeah.
it was a criminal.
I think it's prohibited.
Yeah, but everybody
Yeah.
does it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like the guy passed through Big Mac or McDonald's,
Get
buy
something?
the snacks and on the
Oh,
During
if
the movie.
he's going to drink it?
Yeah.
like the drink.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, this-
One drinking kissing. Yeah.
yeah.
But
So-
guys, I guess it's time for us, right?
yeah, let's do
You
it.
see that the rain stopped?
The rain.
Rain?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Can you see the rain? Can you see? No.
Can you see?
Can you listen to the rain? I can't. Can you?
No.
No.
It means that it stopped. So
Okay.
I left you guys with a question. Have you ever seen the rain?
I need to go home to eat rice, beans, and popcorn.
Okay, let's go then, because it's a great time to go home. Cuidado pra não ficar batendo muito na mesa, porque eu não sei se vai pegar.
Okay.
Vocês são legalzão, hein? Gostou da nossa conversinha em inglês, do nosso English Chat? Se você quiser continuar recebendo conteúdo como esse daqui de qualidade, a gente tem mais de 400 peças pra você, cara. Então, ó, não perde tempo não. Acesse o nosso Instagram aí, @você pode falar inglês, clica no link da bio e vem ser VPFI Forever, não é não, galera?
É isso aí.
É isso mesmo, baby?
See ya.
See you guys!